If you're someone who grew up watching rom-coms and coming-of-age dramas and fantasize about going to high school, then you're at the right place. Because today, we're going to be talking about why my sweet 16 is the most disappointed I've felt in my life. And mind you, I've already found elaichi in my biryani. If you're new here, I'm Asmi, and today we're going to be talking about Indian high schools. And if you're Indian and you like this video and relate to it, then give this video a thumbs up. Middle school is super underrated and is 10 times more dramatic than high school. I don't know what it is, I don't know why people don't make movies on middle school. Maybe it's just too traumatic for people to discuss with, but personally, in my own opinion, take this whole video with a grain of salt because the whole video is just my opinions. School is not even like near as dramatic as middle school is, and this is not just my opinion, but everybody I've surveyed in the past few weeks. I did a survey for this video, by the way. Everybody said that their middle school was like 10 times worse than their high school, and I agree. Middle school was super annoying, and I think there's a couple of reasons for it. Number one, hormones. I get it, a bunch of people do hit puberty during like high school, but I hit my puberty during middle school, and I was like 10 times more dramatic than what I was in high school. By the time I reached high school, I was already so sick of middle school drama that I really did not care. Another reason I think is because middle school में पढ़ाई का उतना tension नहीं रहता है. Like, you know what I'm saying, right? Like middle school में you don't really care about your report cards, you don't really care about maths, you don't have trigonometry yet. So nobody really cares, and you have a lot of time in your hand because all you need to do is go back home and drink Bonvita while watching, I don't know, Augie and the Cockroaches. So people are like much more invested in middle school drama than they are in like high school drama because like high school maybe like older and everybody's like like dating, but किसी के पास टाइम नहीं है इतना सोचने के लिए. Like thing I want to talk about in high school is cliques, and before you go ahead and Google it, मैं बता दूँ कि cliques means groupism. I don't know तुम्हारे स्कूल में कैसा था, मेरे स्कूल में groupism was a whole thing. People would literally get suspended because they had a group. And when I say group, मतलब तुम्हारे दिमाग में चल रहा होगा like that scene from like कभी खुशी कभी गम when they're like, you know, ragging that kid because वो तेल लगा के आता है. Not like that. When I say group in an Indian high school setting, it's basically girls who are into dating, guys who play cricket, and अभी क्योंकि I am a 2000s kids हाँ मैं और मेरे चार no, because I'm like a 2000 kid. People who are into K-pop, like you know, like Korea BTS. Oh, next up, let's talk about dating in high school. Like a wise woman once said in her YouTube video, dating is trash in high school, and always dating is just trash. But let's talk about it because it is actually a dominant phenomena in high school. First of all, not everyone is in a relationship in high school. Let me make that clear. If you haven't watched my video where I talk about how single I am, I'll leave a link to it here, right here. Not everybody is in a relationship in high school. It might seem like it क्योंकि ऐसे दो group. मेरे स्कूल में बहुत टी है. I cannot stress on this enough. My school is so much tea that like Bagh Bakri Chai would run out of business. That's how much tea my school had. But we had these two groups, and correct me if I'm wrong, and correct me if like my school was the only school that had this. It was like a rotating like these permutation combinations of like boys and girls who would date. Like there was like two sets, and they kept dating among each other, and at one point it gets so confusing. That is why most people, like in India, there's like a huge rage of K-pop. Like unpopular opinion, and you can hate on me if you want to, but people who really like K-dramas are people who don't want to admit that Ekta Kapoor serials are amazing because K-pop is literally a Korean version of Ekta Kapoor. I've watched K-drama, by the way, before you come and attack me. I really like it, and I'm not going to hide from the fact that I also kind of like Ekta Kapoor because you don't really have to put a lot of head into it. It's not like Dark or Money Heist. I'm not intellectual like that. I really like reality TV, and I'm not ashamed to say it. I'm not as smart as you. facts. But that's why people really like K-drama, because like plot तो वही है, people are dating among each other, इसकी ex उसकी next, मतलब you get what I'm saying, you know, like that's how dating in high school is like. And if you're not a part of those cliques, you will probably end up being single always. I want to talk about is fights. सबके दिमाग में ऐसा सबको लगता है कि लाइक हाई स्कूल में बहुत फाइट्स होते हैं. आई नो there's like a lot of schools where fighting is like a huge concept. I was one of the unfortunate ones. In my school, I never really saw a big fight. Like I mean like a massive fight after like middle school. Middle school के बाद मेरे स्कूल में कोई fights नहीं हुआ. I'm sorry to say, but my batch was very uninteresting. We never fought. I think the only exciting fights that my school ever had were the ones I was in, and I would literally never get caught. So what's the point of those fights, you know? Like fight का कोई point ही नहीं है unless you're like punching someone. And I mean I'm 5'4". I can't really be punching people around, you know. It's kind of funny to see somebody who looks like a minion punching somebody's knee. So, and the other reason why fights never really happened is because हमेशा जब भी कुछ भाषण मच रही होती है, इतना बड़ा ऐसे मतलब भीड़ लग जाता ना, that the fight dissolves. Like people are fighting, like हाँ ऐसे some like trivial matter, like some like generally बंदी को लेके लड़ाई होता है, and they're fighting, and then suddenly there will be like a huge, like you know, like people like surrounding them. Nobody knows what the fight is about. Everybody is just standing in like धूप. It's like क्या चल रहा है, क्या चल रहा है? And me 5'4", like if I did not come early to see a fight, I would just not be able to see the fight, because then I'm just like standing in between all these like tall people. I'm like क्या चल रहा है, बताओ ना क्या चल रहा है. It's just funny, but fights never really happened in my school. Also क्योंकि मेरे स्कूल में the second we entered high school, our school put in CCTV cameras, which is the worst thing you can do to a child. मेरे स्कूल में not only do we have CCTV cameras like on the campus, we also had them inside the class. So nobody really did anything, क्योंकि जब कैमरा पे जाता है you can't even lie. The thing is पहले होता था कि no she did it, and then she did it, he did, she did में ऐसा हो जाता है कि the number of votes you get. So now बहुत ही periods waste हो रहे हैं, लोगों को बुलाया जा रहा है. Did you see that they were fighting? And फिर जिसको ज़्यादा votes मिलते हैं वो जीत जाता है, the other one gets suspended. But when it's on camera you can't really lie. So nobody really fought in high school. When I was in high school, it was kind of boring. And also girls, the only fights, I'm sorry to say it, the only fights which are exciting is when two girls are fighting each other, because they will rip their throats out. They will rip their throats out. Nothing is better and nothing is more exciting than when two girls are like fighting it out. And they will fight it out generally over a guy, and the guy will just be like standing. This is my favorite thing to watch, okay? When two girls fight, they generally fight over a guy, okay? And the guy is so uninterested. The guy is not even taking sides. The guy is just like standing there like a third party, like witnessing the whole situation. And the girls are like, nahi, mera hai, nahi, mera hai. The girls are just fighting it out, bro. And the guy does not give any shits. None. No shits. The guy is constipated. That's the amount of shits he's giving. He's just like standing there like watching, eating some soya sticks, eating a Punjabi tadka, you know, and the girls are like. And the last thing I want to talk about is high school parties. मेरे दिमाग में, no, this is the worst thing they ever did to me. मेरे दिमाग में, I was like, in my head, I have watched so much of Netflix that I literally, lockdown mein, I could not watch any Netflix films. That's how much high school drama I have watched, okay? And every high school drama, these people meet at parties, these people get drunk at parties, these people get their like first smoke at parties, and me, you want to know what my parties consisted of? My parties consisted of puri sabzi, gulab jamun, and a slice of cake. And if you were lucky, you would get a glass of cold drink. That's what my parties look like. That's it. These people with their red cups, you know what I'm talking. You know exactly what I'm talking about. If you ever watched a high school drama, you know exactly what I'm talking about. These people hanging around with their like red cups and drinking. Oh my god, we got no. None of that shit happened to us. We were like sitting at a restaurant where the parents were looking at us, and we were just trying to eat food quietly. And if any of us like said like a bad word, we'd be like giving each other a stare कि कैसे बोल दिया, माँ बाप बैठे वहाँ पे, like you know what I'm saying? Like that's how unexciting our parties were. Also, like these parties show that they're getting lit. Like if you've watched Euphoria messed with my brain, you guys. Euphoria में everybody's getting lit. they're like getting to next like illegal levels of lit. Okay, यहाँ पे कोई lit नहीं हो रहा. Let me just make that clear. Nobody's dancing, nobody's कुछ नहीं हो रहा, nobody's getting lit. The lit kids, however, I will tell you this: the lit kids get lit in incognito mode, and let's just say you don't want to do things in incognito mode in India unless you want to get beaten up by the cops. Like Indian high school parties mein nobody is doing anything, and it's the worst, guys. I hate it. I hate being here. Please don't ask me to go to Pakistan. But yeah, that's all for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video, give this video, give this video. I was rapping for a while there. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel for more irrelevant and bullshit content like this one. All my socials will be linked in the description box down below, because I sometimes ask you guys questions and opinions, so you guys can follow me there and, you know, like, give your opinions, and I'll accept them with open arms. But yeah, that's all. Yeah, bye.